Welcome to M365 Professional. Tap into talent with skills in Microsoft Viva. A talent gap can affect your ability to execute on your company's strategic priorities. Time to recruit. Or is it? It's likely you have employees with the abilities and expertise you need, but you just don't know it. And there are others interested in upskilling and reskilling. All you need is a way to find them. Uncover the hidden expertise in your enterprise. With Skills in Viva, Skills combines two powerful data layers from Microsoft. Microsoft Graph provides access to data stored across Microsoft 365 services, including signals about employee activity. LinkedIn Skills, Graph leverages aggregated real-time signals to map how 39,000 unique skills relate to each other, to jobs, and to learning content. Using these signals and tag Skills in Viva applies AI reasoning to infer employee expertise and send information to Viva and Microsoft 365 experiences. Envision surfacing insights into top and missing skills in your organization to identify opportunities for agile talent and hiring. Now, picture your line of business managers using the same data to build learning paths targeted at employees who are fulfilling roles that need the skills. And your employees, they can confirm inferred skills on profile cards and search for others who have the right expertise to help accelerate a project. Bridge the talent gap with Skills in Microsoft Viva.